Welcome, crafty friends. I'm Shari Filamahala here at the Graphic 45 office, and I am excited to unveil our Volume 10 2020 kits for you today. Over here, I've got our Club G45 kits, and here are our G45 Card Club kit. So to jump right in, for our Club G45 this month, we are going to be creating this brilliant DIY Christmas album. Both of our Club G45 projects this month have been created by the fabulous Maria Cole, and Maria never disappoints. And this month she is showing us how to take just some plain black chipboard sheets and turn it into this magical mini album. So you can see on the front here, we've got some really great fussy cuts, and she's even added a touch of glitter, which I can show you in the video tutorial how to do that as well. And then when we open this up, you'll see that there's a lot of fun interactive details in this album, including this fun pocket page when we first open it up, and some great little pullouts. And we're even using up some of the extra chipboard sheets to create some nice heavy-duty photo mats. So these are going to be great for all the love that when you pull these out each year, they'll get. And then here on this page, we've got this really fun belly band page where you can slide in your photos and ephemera cards. And then we've got a great little pocket page over here, complete with some fun little ephemera cards that you could add your own sentiments to. You could also put a photo on the back of there or stuff some more photos in this pocket. Here we've got our flip top page. And then in the center, we've got two more of those nice heavy duty photo mats and some more ephemera cards where you can add. You can even add like maybe your favorite Christmas recipes on here, which would be a fun idea, or just use it to add your own special touches with your photos and keepsakes. And then it's all just going to start to repeat itself. So we've got another one of those gorgeous big pocket pages where you can add lots of images and photos in there. Another flip top beauty, and our belly band page. And then the back, we've got another one of those great pocket pages with the heavy duty chipboard photo mats as well. So this is going to be a delight to create, and I think it looks gorgeous done up with our Christmas time papers, but I think that this album would look great in any Graphic 45 paper collection. So whatever you've got in your stash, you could follow along and create this. You're just going to need chipboard sheets and paper. And then also with the leftovers, we are going to be making these super cute gift card holders. So we're using some more of that chipboard. It gives it a nice heavy duty feel, which will give it make it a really fun and easy gift idea for you. And in this Club G45 kit this month, you're going to be getting our Christmas time collection pack that comes with a total of 16 double-sided papers. It also comes with 2 of these heavy-duty cardstock sticker sheets. You'll be getting our Christmas time chipboard, the Christmas time ephemera and journaling cards. You're going to get 32 pieces in there. You'll be getting our Graphic 45 metal clock keys, which really brings home that fun steampunk feel of this collection. Along with the black chipboard sheets, you get 10 in a pack with that. So to pick up this kit or to become a Club G45 subscriber, you're just going to want to hop on over to our website, G45papers.com, and you can pick up the kit there, or you could also look for your local G45 retailer on our store locator. And then to hop on over to our card club this month, Ginger Ropp has created these super cute little square star festive cards. So you can see she's really letting the die cuts do a lot of the work with these cards, which is what I love about the die cuts, is that you don't have to pull out your die cutting machine. You don't have to do a lot of fussy cutting. It's already cut out for you and looks great and matches the collection perfectly. So we have got some gorgeous die cuts on there, and then you open it up and you can see we've added some more of those little 8x8 papers and some more fun little festive die cuts to go along there. With our card club, we'll be creating 6 different star cards that all are just outstanding and have a lot of fun layers and details to them. And we'll be using our these paper accent chipboard stars. So you're gonna get 8 in here. So you'll have 2 extras that you could even do some fun little Christmas decorations with as well. And then you'll be getting 6 of these craft square card bases and envelopes, along with that step-by-step project sheet and the Christmas time 8x8 paper pad. So to pick up this kit or subscribe to our card club, you can do that on our website as well at G45papers.com. You can become a subscriber to both of our monthly clubs. The fun part about those is they don't have overlapping products. So if you do pick up both of them, it'll just give you a more complete package of our different paper collections. So we are looking forward to creating all these gorgeous projects with you this month. You can find the links to each of these tutorials down below in the description. So I hope you grab your supplies and your adhesive, and then you meet me over for some fun Christmas crafting.